Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add line border to shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change or add line border to shape. Go to the insert menu, then click the shapes drop down menu, and we can see here many shapes. Now I select the rectangle, then draw this shape. Now we want to add line border, click the shape, go to the shape format menu, then select the shape outline and choose the dashes, then select the line or solid border, then go back again this option and change the color. Now we can see we add line border to shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.